Full-length audiobook summary, The Art of Saying No, by Damon Zahariades. Do you often find yourself overwhelmed, juggling commitments that aren't yours? Why does saying no feel so challenging, even when you know it's the right answer? In today's audiobook summary, we delve into The Art of Saying No by Damon Zahariades, a transformative guide that empowers you to reclaim your time and energy by setting healthy boundaries. This book offers practical strategies to help you stand your ground without guilt, ensuring you prioritize your well-being while maintaining respectful relationships. Stay tuned as we explore the psychology behind people-pleasing, the detrimental effects of overcommitting, and actionable techniques to assertively say no in various aspects of your life. Overview: the necessity of boundaries. In The Art of Saying No, Damon Zahariades addresses the common struggle many face: the inability to decline requests, leading to stress, burnout, and resentment. He emphasizes that consistently prioritizing others' needs over your own can harm your mental and physical health. The book serves as a comprehensive manual, guiding readers to understand the importance of assertiveness and the art of setting boundaries to protect personal time and energy. Key idea number 1: understanding the people-pleasing habit. Zahariades delves into the psychology behind the compulsion to say yes, fear of disapproval. Many individuals fear that declining a request will lead to conflict or disappointment, stemming from a desire to be liked and accepted. Low self-esteem. Some believe their worth is tied to their ability to help others, leading them to overextend themselves. Cultural conditioning. Societal norms often praise selflessness, making it challenging to prioritize personal needs without feeling selfish. Recognizing these underlying factors is the first step toward change. By acknowledging the root causes of people-pleasing behaviors, individuals can begin to address and modify these patterns. Key idea number 2: the consequences of reluctance to say no. Consistently agreeing to tasks and favors can lead to the following: burnout. Overcommitting leaves little room for rest, leading to physical and emotional exhaustion. Resentment. Feeling obligated to say yes can breed bitterness towards others and oneself. Neglected priorities. Personal goals and needs are sidelined, hindering personal growth and satisfaction. Understanding these consequences underscores the importance of setting boundaries and prioritizing self-care. Key idea number 3: strategies for saying no. Assertively. Zahariades offers practical techniques to decline requests gracefully. Be direct and honest. Communicate your inability to complete additional tasks without over-explaining or fabricating excuses. Example: I appreciate you thinking of me, but I won't be able to participate in the project now. Use the sandwich method. Buffer your refusal between positive statements to soften the impact. Example: I'm honored you considered me for this role. However, I must decline due to existing commitments. I wish you the best with the project. Offer alternatives, suggest other solutions, or recommend someone else who might assist if possible. Example: I can't oversee the event, but perhaps Jane would be interested. She has experience in this area. Delay your response. If you are uncertain, request time to consider the request, which will allow you to evaluate your availability and willingness. Example: let me check my schedule and get back to you by tomorrow. Prioritize your commitments. Assess how the new request aligns with your current obligations and long-term goals. Example: given my current workload, I can't commit to additional tasks without compromising quality. Implementing these strategies can help maintain relationships while ensuring your needs are respected. Key idea number 4. The importance of self-care and assertiveness. Zahariades emphasizes that saying no is integral to self-care. Self-preservation. Protecting your time and energy ensures you can meet your responsibilities effectively. Enhanced relationships. Setting boundaries fosters mutual respect and prevents feelings of being taken advantage of. Personal growth. Focusing on your priorities allows for skill development and the pursuit of passions. He distinguishes between assertiveness and aggressiveness. Assertiveness, expressing your needs and boundaries respectfully without infringing on others' rights. Aggressiveness, forcefully imposing your needs, often at the expense of others. Cultivating assertiveness enables you to communicate effectively and maintain healthy boundaries. Final thoughts. Embracing the power of no. The art of saying no is a valuable resource for anyone struggling with overcommitment and wanting to please others at their own expense. You can reclaim control over your life by understanding the psychology behind people-pleasing, recognizing the adverse effects of always saying yes, and implementing practical strategies for assertive communication. Embracing the power of no protects your well-being and enhances the quality of your relationships and personal fulfillment. If you're ready to reclaim your time and energy, The Art of Saying No by Damon Zahariades is a must-read.